Hello, and welcome back to Bottom of the Concept QuickBooks Desktop Mastery course. So in this course, we're going to look around the interface of QuickBooks. So when you launch your QuickBooks, the version of QuickBooks I'm using here is the 2021 Accountant Edition. So with this, it can bring out this. If you want this to be coming up from time to time, you can leave it like this. You don't want, just uncheck this and close. So we don't want this to be coming out from time to time. In case you don't see you cannot find this on your account, check the version of QuickBooks you are using. Now, this is the home of QuickBooks. So we start from the top here. You have the vendors, where we have the vendors, purchase order, receive inventory, enter bills. This when you give order to customer to supply. When the supply, you have this option. You receive it, and under the receipt, you have two options here. Do you want to receive with bill or without bill? You can select either to receive with bill or to receive without bill. We also have the option of enter bills against inventory, which means that you receive without bill, then you enter the bill later. Then we also have the enter bills alone, and we have the pay bill. On the customer level, we have the sales order, we have the estimate, we have create invoice, then we receive payment, then um, then we record deposit. And in some cases, when you have a payment, instant payment at the point of invoice, so you don't need to raise invoice and record receipt again. You just use create sales receipt. This will eat your revenue account at the same time eat the bank without the need of any receivables in between them. So when you have a refund, you have this for refund, and we use this option to manage sales tax. Down the bottom here, we have the employee, we have the vendors management here, customer management, and we have the employee down here. On the side, also we have the company information, where we have the chart of account, we have the inventory activities, we have the item and services, we have order checks and calendar. Down we have on the banking part of it, we have the reconcile option, where you go to reconcile your bank statement with your GL at the end of the month. We have record deposit, we have write check, and we have print check, and the check register. So these are what we have on the interface of a QuickBooks. And on the left side, we have the shortcuts and the quick way to get across to certain area, where we have the accountant, the client review, statement writer, home, my company, invoice tracker, bill tracker. You scroll down, you have a lot of things here. Let's see, we have a lot of things that you can see as a shortcut. You can quickly get the shortcut from any of this. And you can also select this here. We have my shortcut. We also have a few balances. When you select on this, it's going to show you the current balances here. And either you can also customize which balance you want to see when you click on the view balances. Then we'll have the run, favorite report, and open windows. When you've opened like 3, 4, 5 windows, you can select open windows. You want to see all the windows that are open here. In this case, we only have the home open here. Also, we have insights. From the inside, when you click on insight, it's going to show you what the current situation of the businesses. We have the profit and loss. You can see to show you all the invoices you have, expenses. We have different charts showing different things. So you can change from this and select prior year information to this and that. So it depends on whatever you want to see for your businesses. And remember, even with this, you can also change the period. Which period are you looking at? What are you comparing? What are you checking in terms of report? So you can always see a lot of insight from this. This insight can be printed. You can print and you can also export as PDF. So you can print or export as PDF. So you can customize the settings and the rest. So these are the things you can do at the basic of the interface of QuickBooks. So how do we get out of here? You select the home or you select the home here. When you click on home view, it takes you back to the home view. So thank you for your time. So in the next class, we're going to look at the different tabs. What do we have in different tabs in QuickBooks, and how do we make use of them to create a compelling report? Thank you.